Check it out, you got me mesmerized with your black hair and your fat ass styles. Street poetry is my everyday, but yo, I gotta stop when you drop my weight. If I was working at the club, you would not pay. Hey yo, my man Phife Diggy, he got something to say.
I like 'em brown, yellow, Puerto Rican, or Haitian. Name is Phife Dawg from the Zulu Nation. So you're in the jam that we can get down. Now let's knock the roof like the roof H-Town. You got BBD all on your bedroom wall, but I'm above the rim and this is how I ball. A gritty little something on a New York street. This is how I represent over this here beat. Talking about you. Yo, watch it.
Fade into the bush.